The beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is in meter 5 meter 16 feet 4 inches. Length is 6 meter 20 feet. In the front we have a sliding door here, and after that we will go inside. So we have a dining cum living area here. The size of the dining cum living area is 11 feet 4 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 3.45 into 2.84 meter. Here is a sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and you can see here the dining table with 2 chairs, and also we have windows for ventilation and light purpose. After that we'll go on right side. We have a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet 6 inches in meter 1.21 into 1.98 meter. You can see here the water closet and shower area both the separate, and also we have a wash basin here. After that we'll go inside. So in the left we have a kitchen. The size of the kitchen is 6 feet into 6 feet 4 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.93 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a window for ventilation of the kitchen. On the right side we have a room. The size of the room is 9 feet 4 inches into 9 feet 8 inches in meter 2.84 into 2.94 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement, also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. We have a attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet in meter 1.82 into 0.91 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of this house you are watching on the screen. If you like the video, so keep watching the video and share with your friends. Stay tuned with my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.